Hi, my name is Simone Alexander. I'm the founder and producing artistic director of New Manifest Theater. I'm so glad you found us and found our Manifest the Future Youth New Works Festival. I'm hoping that I can give you some key pointers in how to submit and be creative in your submissions for the festival. So first, take a deep breath and shake out all of your nerves. And then get a very comfortable seat, maybe your favorite place to sit and write and be inspired. Get a piece of paper and a pencil and just think about what you like writing about, whether it's a story or a poem or a song, really anything. Take a look at our painting that we're going to be inspired by for this festival, and then set a timer for 10 minutes. And just start writing anything that comes to your mind. Okay, wonderful. That was a great first draft. Now, do it again. Do it as many times as you want to until you feel really, really confident about the work that you have. Then, go ask your parents, get them on a computer, and submit to our festival so that you can present your work. See you at the festival.